Hey guys, so the trip starts right here. Just left the station in Kolkata. Here we come. I am at the metro station now. Look at this view. Wow, another metro passing super fast. Inside the metro, it was nice and clean. Loving the vibe already. Okay, metro done. Now auto time. Just enjoying the Kolkata streets. We reached the hotel. Balcony view is so fresh. Bathroom mirror. Hi. Ready right now, so we are heading to for our lunch. We are going outside for our lunch. Back on the road, my hair is actually flying everywhere. Look at this view from the car. Okay, guys, we are at the Eco Park and we are resting right now, and the view is spectacular. Everything is so nice and peaceful. And there's one more thing that I just only see the aeroplanes so close. I never seen any aeroplanes so close on. But all of this, it's really cool, and you can see the view here. It's just like a mesmerizing view, and I'm so glad that I'm here. There is an elephant statue here. Mass garden. So many interesting marks, different cultures, different expressions. Feels like walking through an art story. Just come here. And yes, that tree house looks old and a bit of scary, but the view from there is so nice. If you want to see the pyramids or the Taj Mahal, you need to pay. So that's why we are going to buy tickets and then we'll come here. This part is exciting. 7 wonders of the world. Feels like mini Agra in Kolkata. Behind me, Taj Mahal. And look, a rocket too. I didn't expect that. Fish in the pond. Love these tiny swimmers. Sitting for a small break, enjoy nature. At that time, look at these birds. So close, and they build such cute things. And now we are at an exhibitions. Actually, we don't know, but like there is an exhibitions or something like that. We just came here to buy something, and then we came across like there is exhibition going on, and there is so many people selling things in this market. Whatever you're going to buy, they are so pricey. Like it's out of your budget. Zoo day, so excited. Look for at these monkeys jumping, playing, fighting, like full entertainment for free. There are colorful birds too, parrots, peacocks, and some I can't even name. Their feathers are so pretty. ইমা তোমার বাপরে কেমন আছে ইমা And then the star attractions, tigers relaxing in the shade. We saw so many snakes. They are creepy but interesting. I was like, please don't move. And my niece was like, where is the snake? A masterpiece in marble built in memory of Queen Victoria. This museum showcases the rich history of the British era in India. Perfect for photography. Look at the view. It's so mesmerizing. I don't know how can I explain it, but true. And the villa house. We learned about planets, stars, moon, amazing.
उन्होंने देखा कि एक
And the fake stars and the space setup looked so real. We also checked out the museum, history, art, culture, everything in one place. Prince Ghat, the perfect spot for a relaxing boat ride and beautiful sunset view. If you are here during golden hours, trust me, magic happens. We came to Jorasagar Thakurbari, but it was closed today. But yeah, next time for sure. So tired, that's why ending the day with a movie. Perfect plan. Okay guys, I'm honestly so happy right now. You know, Kolkata has this energy that makes you feel alive. The food, the people, the streets, everything. I have been here before, but this time feels different. I got to explore, learn, and really enjoy the city the way I really wanted to. But now I really want to spend some time with my family, so I'm going to wrap it up here, and thank you so much watching this video till the end. If you like this vlog, don't forget to drop a like and comment below your favorite part and subscribe for more adventures.